Okay, so today we've got the
Eceen.
Today we've got the Eceen bicycle signaling backpack. It features a water straw with a bladder inside, and then it also has some flashing signals here too. You turn it on by pressing a small button inside the fabric right there, and then to control it, you can have your left signal right there.
So cool.
Or turn right, and it will continue blinking until you tell it something else. So then you can say, all right, I'm going forward. This just allows people to see you better while you're on your bike. Or you can have a hazard, whether you're slowing down or if you're on a busier street. You can also press and hold this, and you'll have a flashing green light. So that's how it works, and I will show it to you in action.